When you think of Ram, think Montrose, Colorado. Flower Motor is excited to announce the Ram Truck Month. All month long, get great deals on our new inventory of Rams and other new Chrysler and Jeep models. Ram Truck Month, we invite you to take that small drive and come and see us in Montrose. Brad, how easy is it to find a new vehicle?
Over 250 new and used vehicles to choose from. Shop online or come in for mega savings.
It's that easy at Ram Truck Month, happening right now at Flower Motor Company in Montrose, Colorado.